So finally the asymptote method is going to be used to construct a hyperbolate. So here I have it set up. So I have my asymptotes drawn in here from A to B. And I have to remember that the asymptote intersects the larger circle is horizontal and also tangential to the throat circle, as this line is. So when I bring these points up, so I brought A up, and where I hit my XY line, I continued on up until I hit the top of my rectangle, and similarly here. And then when you join these lines up, so A to B and A to B, they should intersect directly at the throat circle line and bang in the middle of the rectangle, which to do. So next thing we do is we turn on. If I turn on this layer, so I divided this line here up, so the difference from here out to the end of our asymptote, I divided this up into another parts, and for this example here, I just divided it up into 4 parts. So the distance from our center line here to our first point, stick that in there, is this. That's 1/4 of this length of the line. I rotated this about the center point up until it hit our other center line, and then what I did was what you do is you bring this from our asymptote, you bring it up until it hits our asymptote in elevation, and then the line where we rotated the point from on the center line, we bring this up until it is horizontal to our point on the asymptote, and we bring this across, and this gives us 1 point on our hyperbolated revolution. So we continue this, and if I turn this on, we continue this for the rest of our points here, and then by using symmetry we can basically translate our points from here, from one side over to the other, by using our center line, and then again using our throat circle here, and that gives us all our points. So again, I just brought up here, I brought up my lines from my throat circle, and this is another point on our hyperbolated revolution. And finally then, when I join up all my points, we see we're given a perfect hyperbolade of revolution.